In a vast, sun-scorched desert, where the sands stretched endlessly, lived a wise scorpion named Skar. Skar was not just any scorpion, he was the desert's predator, known for his cunning and strength. One day, Skar found a tiny ant named Dune, struggling to escape the heat. Instead of pouncing, he felt a strange compassion. He asked Dune, "Why are you out in this harsh desert during the day?" Dune replied, "I was searching for water, but the sun is too strong. I can't find any." Skar pondered for a moment, then said, "Let's work together. I'll carry you to the oasis, and you can show me where to find food." Dune agreed, and they set off, facing the scorching sun together. They faced many obstacles, but their determination never wavered. As they reached the oasis, Skar was amazed by the lush greenery. He found a tasty insect and shared it with Dune. Dune, in turn, led Skar to a hidden water source. In the cool shade, Skar asked, "Why are you so small and weak, but still so brave?" Dune replied, "Small size does not define my strength. I may be small, but I am resourceful and adaptable. I learned to survive in this harsh desert." Skar realized the wisdom in Dune's words. He acknowledged that though he was strong, he lacked the adaptability that Dune possessed. From that day on, Skar became a protector instead of a predator. He learned that strength and cunning are not the only qualities that matter. Resourcefulness and adaptability are just as important, especially in the face of adversity. And so, the desert changed, not just because of the sands shifting, but because a scorpion learned a lesson from a humble ant. The desert became a place where the strong and the small could live together, learning from each other, growing stronger, and adapting to the harsh conditions. In the end, the moral was clear. No matter how big or small, every creature has a role to play, and the greatest lessons can come from the most unlikely of sources.